All right, so here we are, guys. 15.6-inch screen protector for the Lynxwell XL series. It comes factory sealed, one screen protector per package. Open it up. Inside, what you'll get is the screen protector and a cleaning kit. We'll show you how to prep the screen to install the screen protector. So if you guys haven't already noticed, but the Lynxwell screen protector comes with a plastic temporary screen protector applied. You're gonna need to remove that before you install the new tempered glass screen protector. If you've already taken the plastic screen protector, then you're gonna use your cleaning kit. You get a wet towel, a dry towel, and one that will be used to remove the existing particles that are on the screen that normally wouldn't come up with a wet or a dry towel. So now we're gonna take off the plastic screen protector. If you still have it, it's good. That means you have no particles, no lint, no pre-existing residue on the screen. So this should leave you with a very nice, very clean screen, and you should require very minimal to no cleaning unless the screen has started to lift up on you. Then you want to go back and make sure that you clean those areas before installing your new screen. So in this case, because the plastic screen protector was previously on here, I'm only gonna clean the edges. Everything in the middle of this screen is still intact and has no dust particles on it. So that was the wet wipe. I'm gonna use the dry one. So keep going until you see no more streaks left on the screen when cleaning it with the dry towel. And so in our case, we're gonna want our screen protector to sit right in the middle . Not all the way to the top, not all the way to the bottom. So we're gonna want it to sit like this, where we have a border on all the way around the screen. We're gonna want that border. We don't want it all the way to the bottom. We don't want it all the way to the top. So let me put my guides in there and we'll show you how to then just peel off the back to start sticking it onto the screen. So to put on your guides, you're gonna want to put the screen flat on a flat surface, but make sure that the back side of the screen, which is the part that you're gonna be peeling off, is on the bottom side. You're gonna want to put your guides on the face, on the front side of the screen protector, like this, because these are the ones that are gonna help you hold it in place. And then you're gonna wanna put your screen where you're gonna want it. And the guides are gonna stick to the body of the screen, which is what's gonna help you hold the screen in place while you peel off the backside. So once you have that in place, you're gonna want to lift and start peeling the backside like this. Peel the bottom far enough just to get the bottom half up. Fold it against the screen like this. and then find a good spot to start with. Make sure the bottom catches and work your way up. Take your guides off and grab the rest of the peel up like this. And then the cool thing about this kind of screen protector is once you take the entire back plastic off, the screen will start to stick itself to the screen like this, and you could see it. And if you have any bubbles left, don't worry about it. Once the sun gets to the screen and the heat sets in place, it'll be a lot better. But if you have any bubbles, you can try and work them out little by little. But if you let it sit, eventually the heat from the sun will get the screen protector on there very nicely.